and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by and checking out some of my videos. Today we are going to be talking about my sunglasses, as my perfume collection. I'm pretty minimalist when it comes to jewelry, accessories, and what I've come to find out, a lot of things. I wanted to show you guys just some of the pieces I've gotten recently and also some of the stuff that I had from before. I like simple stuff, but then I also like somewhat like of a statement piece, but not super over the top. I will do my best to link any of the glasses or a similar glass or sunglass in the description box below. So I'm gonna start off with my blue light blocking glasses. Now I have another pair, but unfortunately they're at my office, so I'm not gonna be able to show you guys that. Those of you who are watching a lot of like looking at the screen all the time, you work a lot from your laptop or computer like I do sometimes. I found that during the beginning parts of the pandemic, I was working on my laptop a lot more, and the strain on my eyes was definitely becoming apparent. So I got two. I got these ones because I just love the clear ones. And that is what these ones look like. Literally, they're just clear glasses. They're not reading glasses. I don't need reading glasses. They just have the yellow tint on them. Well, I can see it, so that it blocks the blue light from screens and stuff. But yeah, the next pair, I had these ones from before. I just wanted, like I said, I don't have reading glasses, I don't need them, but sometimes you just want like that look, depending on the outfit you're wearing. So I just wanted a plain pair of black glasses, and for a really long time I used to wear these hardcore, but I don't know, my style has changed quite a bit and I just find I'm not wearing them as much. So these are these ones. They are not blue light blocking glasses, so I feel like they're kind of redundant. They're really just for style. They have no purpose but to look cute on my face. That's it. So these are those ones. Really simple, nothing crazy. I will show you my 3 designer glasses at the end. Those are the last ones I'll show you. So now I'm gonna show you the more funky glasses. The ones that, you know, you just see those glasses, you're like, oh, those are so cool. I gotta get a pair of those. But I've been really shifting just the quality of my pieces because I don't need a lot. Like I just need one of each thing or one of each thing in a certain color. I've been spending a little bit more on these pieces because I know I wear them all the time. So I need the quality to be really good so that they last. And these are just those regular fashion glasses. I just thought they were really cute. They're those ones that you kind of wear like right here at the end of your nose. I believe I got these at, it's either H&M. I think they were H&M because most of the time it's H&M. If it's not H&M, it was, oh gosh, Urban Planet. Was it Urban Planet? Urban Outfitters. I don't remember, one of the two. But if if I remember, it'll be below, or if I see something similar, then yeah. And I love to always pick up some glasses with the black and the gold detail because I love black and the gold. I love that. I like to also have some black and silver because I like to switch things up depending on what I'm wearing. I was noticing back in the day that I'd be buying these glasses, just these regular fashion ones, for like $20, $15, $10, maybe $30. And they were cool and all, but I just found that they weren't lasting. They would break, or they didn't have any screws. So when they got loose, actual material of the little things that go over your ears, it bends over time and then it doesn't fit on your face. Like that one falls off my face. And that's something I can't stand. When you're wearing glasses and they're literally falling off your face. Like I don't like that. And there's only so much tightening the screws can do. So that's the other reason why I find I don't wear that one that much, because it's falling off my face. When I wear the wigs, I can kind of tuck it, which helps, but I'm not always able to do that. So I'm looking for a more designer piece that has the same style, that just has a better quality, that's made better, made to last. I remember when I first saw these glasses, I was like, oh my goodness, I love them. They're so cute, all gold. They have a little bit of tinge to them, but nothing crazy. Really what I love about them is just the design, the style of it. Very statement-y. Oh my goodness, when I have my hair up in my head wraps, hair away, this glasses really makes a statement when your hair is like away. Because you really get to see it. There's nothing distracting you from it. And I've gotten compliments on these glasses all the time. People are always asking me where I got them. 2 I just bought recently. 1 I've had since 2007. That's what I'm talking about. You really invest into pieces, you can have them forever. As long as you don't break them or do anything funky. And because I don't follow trends, I don't buy things based on a trend. I like classic pieces that like stand the test of time kind of thing. Again, black and gold, that's my thing. I love that little extra gold detail at the back. It's black at the bottom. But it's, again, the just the style of it. Now these, problem with these are they don't fit my face anymore. They stretched out. So if I'm wearing the wig, I can kind of like this, tuck it, and it's fine. But if I'm not, it doesn't work out. But these are what these ones look like. And last but not least, in terms of the fashion glasses, these ones I wanted because I wanted a pair of gold glasses that had tint, but not black or brown. And it's soft, it's almost like a rose goldish sort of tint that I like. It's different, but it comes off different on the outside, like when you look at it. So you notice that like kind of yellowy, and then it has that like reddish rose goldy tint kind of thing to it. Yeah, so that's, see that? That's what they look like. Put them on. Boom. Depending on how the light hits it, that's what you might see. See that? That's what you might see. So these ones are also really cute. So let's get to the 3 designer glasses, and then I will show you the only 3 perfumes that I wear. Okay, so the very first designer glasses I bought, again, like I said, I was paying $20, $30, $15 for these glasses, and they were breaking or they just were stretching out or whatever. And I thought to myself, no, Sarah, just spend the money and get a good quality glasses. So the very first time I ever spent money on a glasses would be the MARC by Marc Jacobs glasses. And I just wanted a plain but still like nice black sunglasses. And this is what they look like. Sides, simple. They just have the Marc Jacobs right there. I bought these, and I bought the little kit with the screws. I invested in that. So all I really have to do is tighten them. They've never stretched out. The only thing that happened later this year, I noticed there's like a little scratch at the bottom of one of them, but it's not even noticeable. It doesn't bother me. But like I said, I've had these since 2007. Still look great, still do the trick. And I paid $250 for these ones. And I've had them since 2007. Now, just imagine how much money I would have spent if I bought the little $20, $15, $30 ones over the course of that time, from 2007 until now, 2021, how much money I would have spent. So I know if it's your first time getting like spending money on glasses, I know it's tough because it's like, oh my gosh, like what if something happens? That was the first thing I was thinking, what if I break it? And it's so funny because that year, 2007, I went to Jamaica and I had it on my thing, my shirt, and the person who came to pick me up from the airport, because I literally left Jamaica in 2006, so they hadn't seen me in a year, over a year, and they came out and they saw me and they ran up to me and they gave me this big hug and they squeezed me. And I like literally at that moment, all I was thinking was like, my glasses. No, I just bought them. I spent all this money, but they were fine. Nothing was wrong with them. And I'm telling you, they squeezed me tight. So I decided to invest again, and I went to Nordstrom the other day, and I was just looking, I was browsing around, and I saw these again. Tory Burch, is it Tory Burch? I hope I didn't butcher that. So they come in this really cute orange glasses case, which I think is gorgeous. It comes with this little bag, little traveling bag. And then here are the glasses. I just needed something brown, you know, with a brown tint. And I love the detail at the side. And they're the perfect glasses, like in terms of brown tint. Because sometimes you're wearing like brown, beiges, things like that, and the black is just too much for it. You want something a little softer to complement it. So these glasses are perfect for that. And these ones were, oh gosh, $250 as well. And like I said, if you know me, I'm gonna have these for another decade. Last but not least, this is my very first Chanel anything. And when I went into the store, like we so often do, it comes in this box, and then it comes in this beautiful case that has a little bit of detail there. Suede case. Great. Like we often do, we don't go in there for that particular thing, but then it catches our eye, we're like, ooh. I didn't go in there looking for any more black glasses because as you can see, I have enough. But I saw these glasses and I love classic with a hint of bold, with a hint of, hey, statement, but not over the top. I don't like the flashy. I usually don't even get stuff with like logos splattered all over it. I don't like that. I like the subtle. Nobody else needs to know that it's whatever it is. But these particular ones were subtle enough that I was like, okay, I'll go with that. Let me show you these bad boys right here. Look at that. And do you see that beige detail at the top? And then, there we go, yes! Look at that. And it's very subtle. It is the cutest thing. Look at those. Look at those. Little Chanel logo, but it's the beige detail for me at the top. Because she had these glasses. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I've been wearing these hardcore since I got them. She had these in just black. Just plain black. Black on top, black all around, and it did not hit. But these ones with the beige at the top detail, these ones, and they just fit my face so beautifully. Look at that. I'm telling you, definitely the most expensive glasses I've ever bought. These ones were $605. And I know, it took me for a second, but then I reminded myself why I'm investing in those glasses in the first place, because I know how I wear my glasses. Like I said, I've had the MARC JACOB glasses since 2007, well over a decade, and I'm gonna have them for more years. So I know that piece, beautiful. Let's move on to my perfume. My very first perfume that I'm gonna show you guys is the Armani Code. This is the first perfume that I really, really fell in love with. And when I tell you it gives sexy, sultry, night out, date night kind of vibes, love it. I'm telling you, every single time I put this perfume on, somebody says to me, what are you wearing? Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, you smell so nice. Ooh, that smells so nice. Every time. Every time. They come in a smaller bottle as well, but I'm not big on strong perfumes. It's subtle. You can layer it if you need it to be stronger, but I like the subtler scents that kind of, you walk by and it doesn't punch you in the face. You walk by and you're like, oh, wait a minute. That's nice. not, ooh. This one is the Bulgari Eau Thé Blanc, which basically means white tea. This is the bottle it comes in, gorgeous. And it is, oh, it's light. It gives me, what does it remind me of? I feel like it's the perfect scent to put on after you just stepped out the shower. Light, sultry, but light. Subtle, not needing to do too much, you know? Not trying to take the spotlight, but you take it anyway, you know? It's just that kind of scent, like, you're not trying to get noticed, but you're so good, you noticed anyway. That kind of scent. Like, it was, love it, and this bottle is beautiful. It literally speaks like classy, regal. I don't have to do too much because I'm awesome. Like, that's what it says. That's what it says to me. Okay, and the last one. So again, it was just a sample, and oh my gosh, this one, especially right now because I haven't been able to leave the country since 2020. February of 2020 was the last time I left Canada, and I haven't been to Jamaica since 2016. Oh my gosh, I miss it. Anyway, this, I love anything with vanilla in it. Love, 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 love vanilla. And this has Tahitian vanilla. And when I tell you, when I smell it, I feel like it's just taken me to like the beach. I get vacation vibes, I get tropical, I get relax, regenerate. I like, when I spray it, I literally go to work and I feel like I'm just like in Jamaica, just chilling. Yeah, and I feel like even in the winter time when I spray this on and there's snow all around and I'm freezing my ass off, I'm still gonna be like, oh yeah, just it just takes me there every single time. This is it. Oh, this is the Sud Pacifique Vanilla Cocoa. Oh my gosh, it's like shea butter and cocoa, vanilla, and love it. Now this is definitely sweeter. Like I said, all of the perfumes that I use are light, but this one's definitely it has a sweetness to it, so if you're not too into sweet. But I actually from time to time will mix these, like I'll spray some of this and then a hint of this. I find the Armani Code is probably the strongest out of the three that I have, so when I want that sexy sultry but maybe a little bit of this, like I love the fact that you can mix and blend and kind of find that scent that just works for you. And those are the three that I'm loving so far. Will I have more? Probably, because I may get some more samples the next time I do my Sephora shopping, and we'll see what I get. But yeah, those are my stuff. Remember, I will link everything I can in the description box below. Comment below and let me know if you have any of these things, if you want to get any of them, if you like any of them, all that stuff. I wish I could remember specifically how much I paid for each of the perfumes, but if I find it, I'll link them below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and watch some more videos from me if you're interested. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.